Police car light slab leak detection and repair in Pasadena, Texas. Slab leaks are one of the most serious plumbing problems homeowners face. Left untreated, they can damage your foundation, floors, and overall home structure. In this guide, you'll learn heavy checkmark common signs of a slab leak. Heavy checkmark how professionals detect hidden leaks. Heavy checkmark repair options like spot repair, rerouting, or repiping. Heavy checkmark why early action saves money. Modern detection methods use non-invasive tools to locate leaks accurately without unnecessary damage.